My mind is preoccupied with past thoughts. So hopefully this is pretty profound for you. It is pretty intense when you first think about this, recognizing that you actually don't see anything, that no one actually sees anything at all in two different ways, in your mind and outside. It's pretty interesting because once you start discovering this, you're going to be pretty skeptical. It's natural to be skeptical about what this is talking about. Yet recognize it also says that the mind cannot comprehend the present moment. You can't comprehend it. Just to notice that every time you look around, everything you're dealing with, you are literally reviewing all of your past experiences. This is all you need to do. You don't need to stress about completely grasping or understanding this quite yet. So recognize that you are looking at your past experiences with everything, and that your mind is always reviewing all these past ideas, all these past interpretations, all these past judgments, all these ideas, everything. And it literally is filtering and through all of this experience, everything you're looking at. So as you're doing the lesson, you're practicing, you're looking about whatever you fall on, this light. I am obsessed with all the past, with this light. I am preoccupied with all past thoughts in this. Not only are you saying it, try to recognize what are the past thoughts that you are reviewing. Try to recognize that where the definition of this came from, the material that it's made, when was the first time you learned about it, when did you learn about lights, what has happened with lights. And just recognize that whatever it is you're looking at, all of these things come up. They might not be as conscious as the level of your thinking is, but you're attempting to open up into a deeper aspect of your subconscious mind. So only by this way can your mind be trained to actually grasp what this moment is. Often people talk about what this moment is in this present, and they're like, oh, but this present comes and then this present goes, and this present comes and this present goes. And again, it's just, the future becomes the present, becomes the past. The future becomes the present, becomes the past. And this is the association to time. So the mind is attempting to grasp what the present moment is, but it also does not recognize that the present moment is essentially the essence of eternity. And that when forever being the idea is in play, it is association to time. So eternity is definitely in the depth of what this moment is, but you can't grasp that if you're obsessed with time. Time is making eternity into something it's not. Okay? So it's pretty intense, but just simply observe, look around, and recognize and take the time to really put into the practice of the occupation in which your mind is associating everything it looks on to the past. It does this all the time. Your mind is preoccupied with past thoughts. It is very obsessed. It can't get out of it, sorry to tell you. It is what the mind is designed to be. It is the development of time. So this ego personality is the only way to experience, say, this reality like this. You can't experience time and bodies and birth and death and experience like that without your mind. So understand that this mind, being so occupied with your past, is a very large tool, a very important tool to make it so you can experience the world this way. You'll see after death, the experience of your reality is as transcendent and arbitrary in our perspective here to say what the definitions of, say, forever is. Eternity is far more expansive.